Kiddos heading out to the bus stop this morning, heading out to work. Suggest some warmer layers early on. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-30s with the breeze a little bit cooler, but impact weather with an wind advisory in effect this afternoon, though we will get those temperatures into the 50s. Wind advisory for Omaha as well as a red flag warning. The combination of those strong winds and dry conditions, elevated even critical fire weather conditions, especially through eastern Nebraska. We have more drought conditions, despite the fact that we did get a bit of rain here earlier this week. Look at the wind gusts. By sunrise, around 20 miles per hour, but thereafter 9 o'clock, gusts 40, possibly 45 miles per hour as we go through the afternoon and early evening hours. And it's out of the northwest, so we're driving in some drier air. So with the wind and the dry conditions, a burn ban is in place for Douglas County today. So avoid any type of burning. Fires could start easily and spread very rapidly out of control today. So avoid any type of burning as we go throughout Friday and really until we get a little bit more rain in here. That's a look down 72nd Street right now. Clear skies this morning, 34. The wind not too strong, at least right now, but still enough to send that feels like temperature down into the upper 20s. So the winds mainly between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Look at Norfolk already. Sustained wind 25 miles per hour, gusting even higher than that. So those stronger winds on the way here in the matter of a couple of hours. Temperatures for the most part 30s, a few spots. Lincoln, Norfolk hanging on to low 40s right now, but we should see temperatures near average by the afternoon. A few clouds by sunrise, maybe a sprinkle closer to the Kansas border, but we are going to see lots of sunshine today. That's going to be a nice change of pace compared to most of this week. So by lunchtime, we're in the upper 40s, climbing into the mid 50s by the afternoon, but again, the wind's still going to be blowing, so any travel along I-80 today, high-profile vehicles, just keep that in mind with those gusts 40 to 45 miles per hour possible. By 8:30, temperatures dipping back into the 40s, so still a little cool if you're heading out to any of the fish fries around town here Friday. Overnight, we'll see a few more clouds move in, temperatures eventually dropping back into the 30s. And if you have any plans for this weekend, it's the final weekend of March, and it's going to be on the cooler side. We will see a little bit more sunshine, I think, on Saturday compared to Sunday, though a little breezy. Temperatures going to struggle to make it out of the 40s. There are the showers out to our west right now, but a lot of dry air in place near the surface, so a lot of this is not reaching the ground, but most of this will head well off to our south as we head through the morning hours. There's those isobars close together, signifying those strong northwest winds. Then another little cool front's going to slide through overnight, keep the cool air in place as we go through Saturday and Sunday, and eventually this will lift back up as a warm front early next week, and that's when we'll see our temperatures rebound a bit. But impact weather with the strong winds today, cool weekend, 60s by Monday, 70s likely by Tuesday, and then tracking a chance for storms as we go into Tuesday evening with our next little system that will keep rain chances in play Wednesday and knock temperatures back down into the 50s.